Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss some myths for writing test. So for the academic module, the writing test is divided into two parts. In the first part, you will have a graph and you have to elaborate that graph. You will have about 20 minutes to do that task. Now in the second part, you will have to write an essay and that part of the test would be of 40 minutes. In the first part, you will have to write about 150 words, while in the second part, you will have to write about 250 words. Okay. So let's look at some of the myths for the writing test. The first one is writing extra words will fetch higher scores. Many students go into a diatribe and they write elaborative essays. Now, what happens is that they waste their time often. Instead of writing 150 words for writing task 1, they will write 200 plus words. They will take about 30 minutes. What happens is that they do not have time for the other tasks. Please do not do that. If it says write at least 150 words, write 150 to 165 words. That's more than enough. If it says write at least 250 words, write between 250 to 275 words. It will be more than enough. Second is using cursive handwriting will increase band scores. Cursive handwriting is a good looking handwriting. It pleases the reader, but it does not increase your band score. Any handwriting that is visible, that is easy to read, will get good band scores. What happens is that students think that if they have a very good handwriting, they will get good marks. This is just an ad campaign. This is not a reality. Okay. The third one is always agree with the given question to get better scores. What happens is that students in the agree disagree question always tend to agree with the question or always tend to agree with the statement. I do not think so. Sometimes it is good to disagree if you can point why your disagreement is right. So for example, if the question states that work culture has deteriorated over the years and people are becoming lazy, do you agree or disagree? You can disagree easily. You can say that work culture has not deteriorated and people are working even longer hours. You are allowed to disagree with the question. Okay? You are allowed to disagree with the statement. If you think that agreeing with the statement will fetch you good scores, it is not the case. Fourth one is using fancy words is mandatory. Obviously, lexical resources is very important, but without context, it is not. It's like having a mediocre dish in a bone china. Okay, that does not work. You will have to make sure that whatever you write is in context. Whatever you write has cohesion, coherence, lexical resource, and good grammatical range. Okay. Fifth one is articles like a and the are not counted in the total word count. Articles are counted. An article is a and the in the sense of grammar. They are words that are counted in your essay. So make sure whenever the opportunity comes, you use the appropriate article. So these are some of the myths for the writing test. If you have any further questions, please comment down below. And thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button